Why, hello there! Today we are going to be making sweet potato and eggplant nachos. They're going to be cheesy, they're going to be veggie, and they're going to be yum. Super easy recipe here, guys. We're going to add our cubed sweet potato and eggplant to a tray. Drizzle it with olive oil and then sprinkle over that Knorr veggie bake, which is going to give you all that flavor and all the seasoning that you need for your veggies. Then simply pop it in the oven at 180 degrees until they're soft, around 15 to 20 minutes. While your veggies are roasting, let's make the sauce. First up, chuck in your tinned tomatoes. Next, some delicious kidney beans, or any beans of your choice. Then some sriracha sauce, a little bit of sweet chili sauce, and then some salt and pepper. Oh, and don't forget the garlic, and give it a good old stir. Pop it onto the heat for about 10 minutes and let it simmer and just thicken up a little bit. Now add all your vegetables to the sauce and give it a good mix. Tumble your nachos out onto a tray. Cover it with that delicious veggie sauce mix. And then top it with cheese. Lots and lots of cheese. That's going to go into the oven at 180 degrees until the cheese is melting and bubbling and a little bit golden. Cheesy veggie nachos. That's a delicious meal right there. And hot. Yummo. Enjoy. Why, hello there. So today, that was something magnificent. Yum. It is going to be a sweet potato and eggplant nachos.